Let's stop teaching answers. Instead, teach curiosity through inquiry to our learners. Structured inquiry is teacher-guided inquiry, where the students are given the question by the teacher and the procedure or the method. Students then follow the steps and eventually find out the answer. Like for example, a teacher in science class may pose the question, does a plant grow well in sunlight or in shadow? Students are then guided through the steps, the materials and the observation method using which they can come to a conclusion. This works the best when the learners are starting to become inquirers. Controlled inquiry is when the teacher gives the learners the topic or the guiding question and the learners design the investigation on their own. Like for example, the teacher may ask the question, which material absorbs water the best? So this becomes their guiding question. Now, the students can choose their own materials. They can design their tests. They can actually conduct the experiment, record their observations in the form of data, and then come to a conclusion. So this helps the learners to develop a moderate level of critical thinking. Controlled inquiry is when open inquiry is where the students drive the learning. They frame their own question. They choose their own methods, resources, and tools, and then eventually they research and come up with a solution. For example, a school project which says, think about one environmental hazard in your area and how you could improve it. This is the kind of project that can be given to the learners to help them inquire freely. Now they may do it in a way they like it. Teachers can act like facilitators and give prompts as and when needed. Inquiry-based learning is not about removing the traditional structure. It is more about creating a balance between the traditional and the modern methods of teaching and slowly transferring the control from the teacher to the students where they can learn 21st century skills and be prepared to think and problem solve rather than just rote learning a particular concept. Learning grows when we share it. Please follow for more and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.